This is my review of the Traveler 12,000 pound winch that I bought at Tractor Supply on sale, $319, and then I got the remote control with it as well. Here's a shot of this big old, I mean, you could throw that anywhere and recover it. So you know which one I got. I'll get this. There it is right there. Truck winch by Traveler. 3 horsepower, 12,000 pound capacity, and it weighs 85 pounds on the front of the my Wrangler. I have it sort of bound there to the winch. It shouldn't let go, and this is what we're gonna tow. Just not very many feet, but just to test out the Traveler, we'll tow this power wagon. Gonna tow the Dodge power wagon with the little tiny Jeep. All right, there's a good look at it. Okay, it looks like if I continue, I'm gonna have the cable bound up on the right-hand side of the spool, and that's gonna interfere with this plate. And I guess that's just something you have to deal with. So I'm gonna put the Jeep at a different angle, and we'll try it again. Here's my little 1999 Sahara Edition Wrangler 4.0 liter. It's a nice little unit. Okay. Let's try it again. Well, yeah, I'm definitely not doing something right here. I'm getting there at the top, and probably I should read the instructions on how to use this son of a bitch, because I don't know how to get it to stop coiling up on one side. So there you have it. But I just wanted to show my Jeep off anyway. And the power wagon. It's not too bad. Power wagon by Dodge. All right, thanks, bye. And over and out. And it's always a moose crossing somewhere.